Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Good afternoon po sa lahat po ng ating web basketball enthusiasts at sa lahat po ng ating live viewers here sa Adno Gymnasium at sa ating mga manonood online. I am Mark Christian Amante and with me is Miss Christine Alcanzo Reyes. And ngayon masasaksihan natin ang laban sa pagitan ng Ateneo Golden Knights at UNC Greyhounds.
Yes, Mark. At syempre po, kaabang-abang itong matchup natin na ito dahil nga sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, nakuha na po nila ang kanilang unang panalo against the NCF Tigers. While on the other side, itong ating UNC Greyhounds, unang beses po dito sa ating elimination round ng ating Bukal Season 6 talaga. Kaya parehong grupo pong ito ay gustong makakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, mapapanood niyo po kami ng live sa Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Bukal Facebook page. At
makikita natin ngayon din sa ating dito sa ating court na nag-e-ensayo ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights at ang ating UNC Greyhounds. At punong-puno ng audience ang ating Adno Gymnasium at talaga namang tututukan ang laban na ito ng dalawang koponan.
Yes, itong ating UNC Greyhounds, last season hindi nga sila nakapunta sa ating Final Four. Kung kaya ngayong season na to, aabangan natin kung ano ang gagawin ng ating UNC Greyhounds para at least maibigay nila yung kanilang best. And sabi nga natin kanina, this is the very first time na maglalaro itong ating UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating Bukal Season 6 Elimination Round. Kaya napakahaba nung naging preparation nila mula nung naging opening natin last week at ngayon maglalaban sila against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
At makikita din natin ngayon kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba ang success ng Ateneo Golden Knights for this afternoon. Ngayon, hingi tayo ng update sa UNC Greyhounds with our courtside reporter, IC. IC, kamusta naman dyan?
All Tin and Mark. Good afternoon, gorgeous Bicolanos, and to all of our viewers via Bukal Facebook page and One Media TV for the Naga. We are live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the most prestigious and most anticipated basketball league here in Bicol. This is your very demure and very cutesy courtside reporter, Izzy Cortez, all the way from the side of the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. Speaking of which, I am joined by the head coach of the UNC Greyhounds, Senior Coach Miggy Perez. Good afternoon, Coach. I have some few questions, Lampo. First of all, how are you feeling right now that this will be your first official game this season?
We're pretty much excited for this game since this is going to be our first game for this season.
And Coach, knowing that ang kalaban ninyo ngayon right now is the Golden Knights na nanalo lang last season against the NCF Tigers, is there any pressure? Ano yung mga naging preparation? And most especially, ano yung naging mindset ng team?
Since may live coverage na tayo ngayon, so malaking tulong na may makakapag-game review kayo. You will study the game na nilalaro ng Ateneo. And then preparations, there were some adjustments since may mga baguhan nga kami sa team. And then, hopefully, ang performance namin ngayon, yun in-expect namin.
Thank you so much, Coach. And lastly, ano naman po ang message ninyo sa UNC community?
First of all, I would like to thank the UNC community for your unwavering support. And then, hopefully, you'll continue to support us.
Yan, thank you so much. The Greyhounds are all set and they are ready to win this game. Kaya naman, balik sa inyo, Tin and Mark.
Thank you so much, IC. Iyan nga ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Dahil nga meron na tayong live coverage, nare-review na nila yung mga laro ng kanilang mga kalaban, kung kaya napag-aaralan nila kung ano pa ba yung kailangan nilang i-adjust sa kanilang team. And of course, sabi nga dito ni Coach Miggy na may mga bagong players on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Kaya ano kaya yung gagawin natin para mas maging maganda yung team ng UNC Greyhounds ngayon na may mga baguhan sila, at the same time may mga seniors tayong kasama. And now, in just a few minutes, we're about to start this matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds.
And now, para makahingi tayo, partner, ng update mula sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, let's welcome our courtside reporter, Liz. Liz, what's the update?
This is the ultimate showdown. Two powerhouse teams collide for a relentless energy and spirit. A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for another game day of Bukal Season 6 Men's Basketball Seniors Division. A match between the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Golden Knights. After a victorious win last week against the NCF Tigers, the Ateneo Golden Knights is now back fiercer and stronger. According to the team captain of Ateneo Golden Knights, Joma Magno, they plan to execute their defensive and offensive strategies by going back to the basics with a goal of 20-point lead and have a back-to-back victory. With that, the question remains, will the Ateneo Golden Knights will finally have a sweet taste of back-to-back victory, or will the UNC Greyhounds claim their first ever win for this season? Stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold only here on One Media TV 48 Naga or Ragon Sports TV, Ligan ng mga Kampiyon. This is Desina Bala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayan nga, para sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, galing pa nga sila sa kanilang panalo against the NCF Tigers last week. At ngayong hapon na ito, makikipagpakbakan na sila sa ating UNC Greyhounds now. The start of our first quarter, early turnover para dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ano kaya ang mga strategy ang ating makikita sa pagitan ng Greyhounds at ng Golden Knights for this afternoon?
Now, ball possession of the Golden Knights, jersey number 17, passes to Plaza. 11 seconds to shoot here on the inside. Good point para dito kay Beltran.
And now, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But a foul was given to jersey number 27, that's Jacob, from the Golden Knights.
Now, ball possession again of the UNC Greyhounds. 19 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 55, Surreal to inbound.
Grabe. Grabe yung suporta ng UNC at Ateneo community dito sa Ano Gymnasium this afternoon.
So now, a whistle foul there on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Kung kaya si Taugan will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Now we have 2-0 on our scoreboard. Naunguna po ang Golden Knights at this moment.
Ayan, nagsimula pa lamang tayo. An early foul was committed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. No Taugan for his second attempt. That's good.
And now, ball possession ng ating Golden Knights. We have Monay. Monay to Plaza. Plaza was guarded by the Greyhounds. No good. Now ball possession ng ating Greyhounds.
Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. 17 seconds to shoot. Surreal to inbound. Hanapin dito si Coronan. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 11 fires. No good. Offensive rebound para kay jersey number 15 Sarmiento. A good second chance point.
And that's good. Now Plaza. And there's a whistle coming from the referee. So ang bola ay mananatili sa Ateneo Golden Knights because of that foul committed from the Greyhounds.
Now 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the Golden Knights. Jersey number 7. No good. Offensive rebound ng Golden Knights ngayon. One more time. This time, a three-pointer coming from Monay.
Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball. They want to aim for a point. Ball possession pa rin ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Kailangang maghabol ng ating Greyhounds on this moment.
This time, nasa Ateneo pa rin ang 2 puntos na kalamangan sa ating first quarter. 8 minutes and 6 seconds remaining.
Now, Plaza to inbound. Grabe yung ginagawang strategy at communication ngayon ng dalawang teams na ito from Golden Knights and from the Greyhounds.
Yes, now, Golden Knights on the run, loses the ball. So another turnover. Chance para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds para makakuha ng puntos. Now, Coronan, magtatawid ang bola for the Greyhounds.
Grabe ang depensa ang pinapakita ng ating Golden Knights. And that's a foul given to the Golden Knights. So we have the Ateneo, the UNC Greyhounds rather, will be given 2 free throws at this moment.
Coronan. First step was good. For 5, now chance for Coronan to tie the game.
Now, last free throw shot. They need to double their time, their effort. At we are on our 5-5 score.
Now, Monay nagmamadali. Sayang yun para dito kay Beltran.
And now UNC Greyhounds basketball. That will add 2 points on their score, 7-5.
Umaarangkada ngayon yung ating Greyhounds at another steal from their side. Nagmamadali
Grabe.
ngayon. Coronan again going inside. Grabe, buhay na buhay ngayon. Ito ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Their cooperation, their spirit at this moment ay buhay na buhay din. Now, Ranin. They kailangan nilang maghabol on this part. Now, the steal ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Taugan for that 2-point. And that's a foul. Ang foul ay tatawagan para sa Ateneo Golden Knights. And bibigyan ng 2 free throw shots ang ating UNC Greyhounds. So we have Taugan on the free throw line.
9-5. Nakakuha nga ng UNC Greyhounds ng kanilang kalamangan dito sa first quarter. Now that's good for the first drive.
Nadagdagan ng isa tin ng kalamangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. From 4, naging 5 ang lamang ng ating UNC. At nadagdagan pa ng isa for that free throw shot from Taugan. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights for 3. No good. Now, offensive rebound. Triple ka. No good. Offensive rebound again. Wow. That's an additional 2 points. That's a good layup for the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now the UNC still on the lead. Pero no whistle foul again.
Ginagawa ni ng opportunity ang fouls na ibinibigay sa Golden Knights to aim more points dito sa ating first quarter.
And also, Mark, nung last time na naglaro itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, itong ang si Tripulka. Yan, medyo nawalan na nga ng ipin sa unahan. Kaya meron siya ngayong off guard. Now, Ateneo on the run. Tripulka. 12-7 on our scoreboard. Heavily guarded here. Pass to Plaza. 15 seconds to shoot. Rise for 3.
No good. Now, offensive rebound. Tripulka for a 2-point shot. Wow.
Now, nahabol na nga ng UNC. Itong puntos ng Ateneo. Now, jersey number 10 passes to Tripulka. Loses the ball. Now, UNC have a chance here to widen the gap against the Ateneo. Karoon ngayon. Whistle foul again. Nasa penalty na nga. Medyo maaga pa pero nasa penalty na nga itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Aga pa ng 5 minutes and 29 seconds sa first quarter for that penalty sa Golden Knights. Now, mabibigyan ulit ng 2 free throw shots ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, substitution. Arellano on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Yung ating naging best player of the game last time para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, let's see kung madadagdagan ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds for that free throw shots. That's no good. One more free throw shot for the Greyhounds. And that's good. Now, a substitution was made to the Greyhounds.
Now, Arellano nga mag-inbound dito for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ano kaya yung magiging performance ngayon ni Arellano? Will he be consistent from the first game that we have?
Ngayon, nag-aagawan sa bola. Now, substitution from the Golden Knights. Pumasok na nga si Valle. Now, ball possession pa rin ng ating Golden Knights. Abrasaldo to inbound. Abrasaldo to Valle. Valle dinadala ang bola. Grabe ang depensa ng ating Greyhounds. He wants to aim a point. Para makahabol sa puntos for 3. That's good. That's a good 3 from Abrasaldo.
Now, the UNC Greyhounds needs to double their effort now dahil makahabol na nga ng ating Neo Golden Knights ang ating puntos dito. Now, Golden Knights on the run. Jersey number 23, Arellano. 14 seconds to shoot here. Arellano heavily guarded here. Moving inside. But a whistled foul there. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. And at this point, meron na siyang chance para maitabla yung ating first quarter dito.
Kasi 1 puntos na lang kailangan habulin ng ating Golden Knights. For that, we have Arellano on the free throw line. That's good! At tabla na nga po sa 13 ang score ng Greyhounds at Golden Knights. Tingnan natin kung makakapasok patin itong second free throw shot ni Arellano from the Golden Knights. That's good! At meron ng 1-point lead ang ating Golden Knights for this moment now. UNC Greyhounds basketball for 3. No good. Now, Golden Knights ball. Ngunit, napasobra ang hagis ng ating Golden Knights for that moment.
Now, still ball possession of the Golden Knights here, Valle. 15 seconds to shoot, heavily guarded here. Nagkakagawa ng bola. Now, diretso ang ating UNC Greyhounds passes to Legaspi. Legaspi now, no good.
Grabe yung depensa at opensa ng dalawang grupo na to, Tino. Ayaw talagang patalo ng Golden Knights at ng Greyhounds for this game. At talagang naging advantage nila yung live stream ng Oragon Sports TV for this moment.
Yes. And also, para sa side naman ng ating Ateneo, malakas din yung naging epekto sa kanila nung pagkakakuha nila ng panalo against the NCF Tigers. Talagang mas determinado sila ngayon na makuha kanilang pangalawang panalo this season of Bukal. Now, jersey number 23, diretso, loses the ball, steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Karonan ngayon with a foul. Basket count pa yun para dito kay Karonan. So, a 3-point opportunity para sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
At ngayon, nabaliktad ulit ang moment natin dito, Tin. Napunta ulit sa Greyhounds ang kalamangan. 15-14 with 3 minutes and 46 na natitira sa ating first quarter.
Now, 15-14.
We have Karonan. No good now. Ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Magmamadali ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. However, steal from the UNC Greyhounds. Wow, that's an intense continuous steal from both teams.
Now still ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights here. 3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. 15-14. Arellano now to inbound. Passes to jersey number 13, Fulga. Arellano for 3. No good.
Now, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Nakadepensa ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights pero hindi papatalo ang Greyhounds. For that 2-point shot, no good. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Valle. Valle to Pulgar. That's a foul given to UNC Greyhounds. And a free throw opportunity will be given to the Ateneo Golden Knights. We have on the free throw line Pulgar. That's good. Nandito na naman tayo tin sa deadlock. 15-all.
Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita ngayon ng ating Ateneo and UNC Greyhounds. Both teams are now on the penalty. Now, chance for the UNC Greyhounds to take on the lead again. Now,
16-15 po ang ating nasa scoreboard. Naunguna na po ngayon ang Golden Knights rather. We have 2 minutes and 42 remaining for the first quarter.
now Arellano. Golden Knights to extend their lead here. Passes to Valle. Now Valle guarded here by the Greyhounds. Valle on the corner. 12 seconds to shoot here. Arellano. Nahihirapan sa depensa ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Pero hindi na naisama yun. Chance for the Greyhounds now.
1-point lead. Isang puntos ang kailangang habulin ng ating UNC Greyhounds for the first quarter.
Yes. Now, 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Mark Andrew. 11 seconds to shoot here. Tries for a dip 3, no good.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights basketball. We have Valle. Valle guarded. Valle for 2.
Basket counts with a foul.
Here's a quick replay of that scene.
Now Valle on the free throw line. Extending their lead against the UNC Greyhounds. Now Calo papasok dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds.
Mahabol na ang ating Golden Knights for this moment. Pero alam natin hindi naman papatalo dito ang Greyhounds for sure.
A minute and 50 seconds remaining. Mark Andrew. UNC's basketball. 18 seconds to shoot. Passes now. Lucalo. Now on the corner. Going inside. Fadeaway shot. That's good. Para dito kay Kenneth Taugan.
We have 19-17. Pababa na naman din ang kailangang habulin ng ating Greyhounds for this quarter. Now, Taugan to 2 points.
Grabe.
And we're deadlock again din to 19-all.
Walang takot si Taugan kung pumasok dun sa loob ng depensa ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Ito talaga yung kailangan bantayan ng ating Golden Knights kasi at this point, medyo mainit-init na talaga ang ating laban para sa first quarter natin. Now, Mark Andrew with the ball possession on the corner. Back to Mark Andrew. 12 seconds to shoot here.
At meron na tayong 43 seconds remaining for this quarter. Now, a whistle coming from our referee. Number 7 was given a foul. So now, ball possession ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Domingo checking in for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We're tied on 19-all.
Pulgar. That's a clean basket. Pulgar will be given another free throw shot. Makalamang na kaya ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights for this one. Yes!
Now, 38 seconds remaining for our first quarter. UNC Greyhounds, dalawang hinahabol dito.
Grabe, unang quarter pa lang din. Pinakita na agad tayo ng intense na laban ng dalawang kupunan ito. And 3 points.
Napakagandang 3-point shot galing kay Garcia ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, the Ateneo Golden Knights with 10 seconds to shoot here for our first quarter. Volley and tries, no good.
No good. Now, offensive rebound.
Basket counts with a foul. Grabe, hindi talaga nagpapatalo itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. 22-23 and now a chance for a 3-point play. Ngayon, nasa free throw line nga itong si Domingo para mas mapalaki pa sa 2 puntos ng kanilang kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe, ang intense ng laban ng Ateneo at ng UNC sa unang quarter pa lang.
Nataugan, and that's it. 22-24 for our first quarter in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Magbabalik po kami for more action sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa aksyon dito sa Oragon Sports TV at Bukal. We are now on the second quarter sa pagitan ng ATNU Golden Knights at UNC Greyhounds.
Now, dun sa ating first quarter mark, napakaganda nung defense ang ipinakita dito ng ating Ateneo as well as the UNC Greyhounds. Simula pa lang talaga, bakbakan na yung ibinigay sa atin dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. And this second quarter, we will make sure na mas maganda pa yung makikita natin. Kasi as of this moment, the Ateneo Golden Knights meron lamang pong 2 puntos na kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds.
Tignan natin din kung makakahabol ba na ang ating UNC Greyhounds for this quarter. Now, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
And another whistle foul para dito kay Magno ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Chance for the UNC Greyhounds to tie the game or even get to a 1-point lead at this moment. Now Mark Andrew to jersey number 11. Now on the corner, Mark Andrew tries for 3. No good.
Now ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Libreng-libre. And that's no good.
Now Taugan, heavily guarded by Magno. Grabe! Kanina pa to.
Oo nga eh.
Sa first quarter natin si Taugan.
Oo.
grabe hindi siya talaga pumapasok na lumusot sa mga gwardya nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And now,
Sinusuong niya, partner, ang
Oo.
challenge ng depensa ng Ateneo.
now, we are tied at 24 all. Mahigpit na labanan po ng ating dalawang kupunan. The ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Arellano now to inbound.
Now tries for three. No good. And the whistle comes from the referee. The ball will still remains to the Golden Knights.
Now, Golden Knights have a chance here to have a point lead from the UNC Greyhounds. Valle tries for that deep three.
Wow.
And with that, nakuha nga muli ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights itong ating kalamangan. At para makakita ng update all the way from the side of the Golden Knights, let's hear it from Liz. Hi Liz, any updates?
Live from the court side, here's the latest from the bench of the Ateneo Golden Knights. The rookie of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Jalo Domingo, was a game changer during the last minutes of the first quarter as he scores a high career in points. Now that we are in the second quarter, the Golden Knights plans to execute the game plan in perfection. That's it for the latest happenings here at the court side. Back to you, Roger and Mark.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update. Ayan, nakita nga natin, sabi ni Liz kanina na naging opportunity, naging advantage nila si Domingo from the Golden Knights.
Yes.
Because of that, nagkaroon sila ngayon ng 27 points.
Yes, off the bench. Itong si Domingo doon sa ating first quarter now. Itong ating UNC Greyhounds gusto pang makakuha ng puntos dito sa ating second quarter. At para makikita ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Icy. Hi Icy, anong balita natin dyan?
Then and Mark, as we go on sa ating second quarter, makikita natin na grabe ang intensity ng game na ito. Sabi nga nila, nag-umpisa pa lamang ang laro, ngunit mainit na ang kanilang ipinapakita na execution. Sabi nga ni Coach Miggy that they have to execute the game properly as they do the 1-2-2 defense. He also added that hindi kailangan magmadali ng mga players dahil nag-uumpisa pa lamang ang laro. As we move into the second quarter, it will be crucial for the Greyhounds to maintain their defensive intensity. They also have to keep the ball moving on offense to avoid getting stagnant in their half-court sets. Yan lamang sa side ng Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Mark.
Thank you so much, Icy, for that update sa side ng Greyhounds. Ayan, they need to maintain their strength. And that three-point shot from Taugan will add an additional 3 points to their team at 29-27.
Yes, itong si Taugan, mapa-offense to defense, talagang maaasahan on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And kailangan lang talaga maging consistent dito ng Greyhounds to really get that momentum.
Grabe. Intense na intense. Kasing init ang nararamdaman natin ngayon, ang init ng hardcore na ngayon dito sa Atno Gymnasium.
Now, 5 seconds to shoot on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Arellano to inbound. 4 seconds. And
That's a good three, Tin. That's a good three for the Golden Knights. At lamang na ulit ngayon ang Golden Knights for that one. And a foul was given by the referee.
yan, palitan na ng puntos itong ating Ateneo and UNC Greyhounds. Ito yung magandang laban na talagang pinapanood ng ating mga Bukal fans because talagang on the edge of their seats na talaga because itong ating UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights hindi pa patalo. 29-30. 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
At talagang marami din ang nanonood kasi sa live stream natin ngayon on Bukal and Oragon Sports TV. Meron na tayo 667 viewers. Hello. Thank you so much. And grabe talaga to si Taugan, no? Another 3-point shot will be added. 3 points will be added
Now,
to the Greyhounds.
Mark Andrew of the Greyhounds. Tutukan, no good this time. But a second chance, wala pa rin. Now Ateneo. Another steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Another point.
Natarantatin yung Ateneo Golden Knights doon. And now, that's out of bounds for that.
Mark Evan papasok in an exchange of Mark Andrew.
Pumasok ulit si Tripolka from the Golden Knights. Grabe yung block ni Taugan kanina doon sa isang player ng Golden Knights.
Yes. Now, Mark, dahil marami na tayong live viewers sa ating Facebook page, shoutout tayo dito kay Gio Almonte, kay Joanna Paaylara, kay Lizelle Inigo at kay Kyla Kasuya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 6. Now, we're back to the ball game. Pulgar, no good. Now, ball possession ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Gusto na nilang makalamang for 3. No good. And a whistle from the referee. Sinasabing sa UNC Greyhounds pa rin ang bola.
15 seconds to shoot on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe ang pinapakitang strength, stamina at coordination. Pati na din communication natin nitong dalawang koponan na to.
Now, Ateneo secure that ball. Jersey number 7 now. Madridano. Passes on the corner for free. Galing dito kay Plaza.
And naibabatid sa isang puntos ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds on this part. At this moment in this quarter with 5 minutes and 19 remaining on our clock.
Balita na ng puntos itong ating Greyhounds and Golden Knights. Tripulka now. Passes to Plaza. 15 seconds to shoot here. Tripulka going inside. Loses the ball. And a turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
Nawala yung opportunity ng Golden Knights on that moment.
And this is a chance para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds to widen that gap sa ating second quarter.
Para lumamang sila sa Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Mark Evan. 17 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 81, Matiancela. Taugan again! On fire itong si Taugan ng UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe to si Taugan from Greyhounds ha. For this quarter, ang dami niya ng press na naibibigay sa kanyang koponan. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo. And that's a good and clean lead from Monay of the Golden Knights. Grabe. Sumasagot na ang ating Golden Knights on that moment.
Now, good combination plays here para sa ating UNC Greyhounds and the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Penalty na agad itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights sa ating second quarter.
Now on the free throw line, we have the Greyhounds. Taugan. Hindi nagkakalayo ang lamang ng Greyhounds sa score ngayon ng Golden Knights.
40-36 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, ball possession of the Golden Knights here. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Still, itong laban ng dalawang kupunan natin, talagang mainit-init pa rin.
Mainit-init na talaga. Ang laban natin ngayon. Now, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Sinusuong nila ang depensang hatid ng Golden Knights.
Now ball possession of the Golden Knights here. Chance to take a point. Now, Monay. 18 seconds to shoot here. Tripulka. Back to Monay. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng Golden Knights to convert a point? Monay ngayon with 7 seconds to shoot. Monay. And the whistled foul.
That's jersey number 88 from the UNC Greyhounds. Nabigyan siya ng foul. Kaya ang ball possession ngayon ay mapupunta pa rin sa ating Golden Knights. Now, Tripulka. Grabe yung communication ni Tripulka at ni Monay, no? Kitang-kita natin. Natawagan ng foul ang isang player mula sa ating Greyhounds.
Now 14 seconds to shoot inside of the Greyhounds. Now jersey number 10 for a pick 3 para dito kay Abrasaldo.
Wow. Now ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds. 2-point lead na lang. 2 puntos ang kailangang habulin ng ating Golden Knights. Pero hindi ata papayag dito ang ating Greyhounds.
But that's an offensive foul committed by jersey number 10 of the UNC Greyhounds.
And at this moment in ball possession ngayon ng ating Golden Knights. Now Monay. Monay to Tripulka. Tripulka to Monay. That's a great block from the UNC Greyhounds now. They want to score a point, and that's it. That's an additional 3 points on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 42-41 ang nasa talaan po natin. 1-point lead ang Golden Knights.
Yes, nakuha pa yan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Talaga namang walang papatalo dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. 41-42. 2 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Pero yung performance ng mga players dito sa side ng UNC as well as the Ateneo, talagang commendable para dito sa ating match-up ngayong hapon nito.
Consistent, kumbaga din, ang performance ng ating Greyhounds at ng ating Golden Knights. And consistent din ang cheer ng ating audiences dito sa Adno Gymnasium.
Yes. And also, kailangan talaga maging consistent itong ating Ateneo. And at the same time, din yung ating UNC Greyhounds. Kasi once na magpabaya sila dito, dahil nga sa napakagandang offense and defense of these two teams, talaga namang aabangan natin yan. Tripulka for a 3-pointer. No good.
No good.
Offensive rebound on the side of the Golden Knights. Tripulka.
And an additional 2 points will be added to the Golden Knights. 44-41. Naitaas ulit din sa tatlo ang lamangan ng Golden Knights.
Yes, ang gandang communication and assist of Tripulka to Beltran. And another offensive foul was committed on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And at this point, kailangan na nilang bawasan yung mga foul na nagagawa nila. Dahil nga itong ating puntos of the Ateneo Golden Knights na itaas na sa tatlo ang kanilang kalamangan. And we only have 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining. At this point, ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating UNC Greyhounds para mabawasan yung mga errors na nagagawa and also the turnover.
At pareho na sila tin may penalty for this quarter, kagaya nung nangyari nung first quarter. Now, Monay. Monay. And a whistle coming from the referee. That's a push foul given to the UNC Greyhounds and timeout. Nagpapa-timeout ang coach ng UNC Greyhounds for that 10.
Yes, dahil nga yung 3 puntos na meron ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights na kalamangan, medyo nahirapan dito yung ating UNC Greyhounds. Because there's a lot of turnovers na nangyari doon sa ating mga last sequence. And at this point, kailangan na yan mabawasan ng ating UNC Greyhounds para at least makahabol ulit. Dahil napakaliit lang naman yung kalamangan ng ating Ateneo. Pero dahil sa magandang performance na pinapakita ng bawat isa sa kanila, talagang nakakatakot na mapabayaan. Dahil from the offense to defense, grabe yung ipinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan.
Pati yung communication at strategy na ginagamit nila within the game, grabe. As in, makikita mo talaga yung intense, yung coordination, yung strength, at lahat ng aspect na kailangan within the game.
Yes, and also let's commend yung mga players talaga na nag-stand out sa ating first and second quarter. We have Taugan on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Well, on the other side, dito sa ating Ateneo, sama-sama sila. They really worked as a team. We have Monay, Beltran, Tripulcay, as well as Fulgar. Pero itong si Arellano, mukhang hindi pa siya ngayon nagkakaroon ng magandang play. But let's see, dahil nga mahaba-haba pa yung oras natin for this matchup.
At nasa second quarter pa lang tayo ngayon, Tin. Hindi pa tayo natatapos ng first half. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights on the free throw line. That's Remoto. So, anong gagawin na bagong strategy kaya ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights? Ano kayang strategy ang gagawin nila ngayon? Now, 46-41 ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang ng 5 puntos. Tumaas ang Golden Knights. Now, ball possession. There's a whistle from the referee and ball possession pa rin ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now 14 seconds to shoot here. But Yancella to inbound. And the ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds with 13 seconds to shoot here. 5 nga yung pinangahawakan ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights na kalamakan. Now, Taugan. 11 seconds. Grabe yung depensa ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights dito. Andyan na nga si jersey number 24, Ranin, ng Golden Knights. And now, Taugan will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
Huwag nila sanang ma-miss ang opportunity na to na free throws para makahabol dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. And for the Q, ngayon nadagdagan ng 1 puntos ang ating Greyhounds. 46-42. At nadagdagan pa nga din ang isa pa na naibaba sa 3 puntos na lamang na kalamangan Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Monay. No good. Now, offensive rebound. And that's a basket. Now, let's have this replay. Kanina.
Yes, that's a steal coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights, and Ranin getting that point and a bonus free throw for a 3-point play para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 43-48. 5-point lead.
Kumbaga sa laro din, no? Sa mobile games, combo. Combo ang nangyari.
Pero katulad nung ating naging second matchup ngayong hapon na ito, nagkakainitan na din itong ating UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights. Mukhang dahil sa init ng laro, umiinit na din yung ulo ng ating mga players dito.
So the officials will review of what happened to that sequence.
Kung mapapansin mo, Mark, halos lahat ng mga nagiging players natin dito, halos bilis na nilang uminit yung mga ulo nila.
Oo nga, no? Pansin ko din yung kanina din bago ang laro ng Ateneo at ng UNC. Kasi kanina, while we are having the game, grabe, nakailang sequence ata ng intense na physikalan ang ating mga players. Kani-kanila lang.
Kaya kailangan nilang maging kalmado dito and really focus on the game.
Kasi kung mas
And now, dahil mainit na nga itong ating UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights, marami na rin ang ating mga live viewers sa ating Bukal Facebook page. Kaya shoutout tayo dito kay Trickle Nax Black, kay Justin Prado, Dudlin Aguilar Velasco, kay Lorenzo Campado. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
At shoutout din kay Bianca Bagasbas at kay CJ Sunga. Thank you so much for supporting Bukal Season 6. Now let's have this replay kani-kanina, partner, kung ano bang nangyari.
Yan na nga.
And nagkaroon ng physical touch yung ating UNC Greyhounds sa isang player ng Golden Knights. But we'll wait for the official official announcement from the officials.
Yes. And ito na nga yung magiging problema sa ating mga players. Talagang todo bigay na kung minsan nagkakasakitan na dito talaga. And namimersonal na yung iba dito. Pero let's still wait for the announcement of the officials. And gusto lang din po namin pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors. We have the NCF, Goldofa Construction, and ACLC Naga. And let's take another look of that last sequence between jersey number 16 and number 10 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe. Yung
medyo mahaba-haba na yung pag-uusap ng ating mga officials doon. Kaya naman, still sa ating mga sponsors, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum Tigers Cafe, at NCF Trading Pool. Maraming salamat po.
And thank you din po sa NCF Indoor Firing Range. And this live stream is powered by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat for supporting Bukal Season 6. And now we are waiting for the official announcement galing sa ating mga officials kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari on that moment between a player from the Greyhounds and Golden Knights.
Yes, and abangan po natin mamaya yung ating last game this week. It's the Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the USI Falcons. Another intense game na naman po ang ating papanood, kaya tutok lamang po kayo dito sa Oragon Sports TV at sa ating Bukal Facebook page para maghatid po sa inyo ng mga aksyong laban dito sa ating Bukal Season 6.
And for more updates din regarding to the Bukal Season 6, just like and follow the official Facebook pages of Bukal, Oragon Sports TV, and One Media TV 48 Naga.
Yes, stay updated sa ating mga game schedule para masuportahan natin ang ating mga teams na naglalaro ngayong Bukal Season 6. And now, the referee is still discussing about that last sequence from between the players of the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ano kayang mangyayari sa mga or ano kayang magiging final verdict ng ating officials on that sequence? Grabe, umaapaw din ang audience dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng mga nanonood live here at the ADNO Gymnasium. Narinig ata tayo.
And the officials still discussing about that last sequence.
What will happen?
So yung ating mga referees, kakausapin muna dito ang dalawang magkabilang kupunan.
For it to be clear
Jersey number 16.
from the
So yan na nga, jersey number 16 of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Beltran. Oo, out of the playing court. Dito pa lamang yan sa ating halftime, as well as itong si jersey number 10 on the side of the Golden Knights.
Grabe. Intense kasi yung nangyari kanina lang, no? Then now, back to the ball game. UNC Greyhounds basketball. Taugan susuungin ang depensa. And that's good. Adding 2 points to the Greyhounds, 48-45. And that's a replay of that 2-point shot from Taugan.
Grabe yung Taugan ng UNC Greyhounds. Walang alintanang papasok sa depensa
At
ng Ateneo.
sumagot.
Oo.
Sumagot ang Ateneo ngayon lang din.
Wow, nagkakain ka na talaga. Jersey number 11 of the UNC Greyhounds. Tatawagan dito ng technical foul.
Nasundan agad yung intense na aksyon kanina lang.
Grabe na itong labanan ng ating UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights.
Grabe. Intense ang ating laban for this afternoon. At talagang mapapagamit ka na lang talaga ng pamaypay sa init. Sa init ng laban ngayon dito sa Adno Gymnasium.
Yes. Now, another review from the officials. Dahil nga, dyan na naman sa ating last sequence between jersey number 11 of the Golden Knights dito kay Kalo.
We'll wait again for another replay from our media partner, One Media TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV on that sequence.
Grabe, hindi pa natin matapos itong ating first half because of this action between the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Golden Knights.
At meron pa tayo tinatitiran to 34.57 seconds sa oras natin for the second quarter.
Yes, kahit yung mga live viewers natin dito sa ating bukal Facebook page talaga namang nakatutok sa aksyon ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito.
At intense na rin na ang ating viewers online. Grabe.
Oh, so yan na nga po. Jersey number 10 on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Abrasaldo, ejected from the game. And itong ating jersey number 11, that's jersey number 14, Monay, out of the playing court.
And now,
yan. First half pa lamang tayo. Nakakadalawang player na ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights ang napalabas ng ating matchup ngayong hapon na ito.
grabe. And now on the free throw line, we have Aureliano from the Golden Knights. And that's a basket. 51-45. 6-point lead. Nanguna po ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, on the free throw line 10, we have the UNC Greyhound.
Now, Kalo, good for that first try on the free throw line.
Ano kayang magiging bagong technique, bagong strategy ang gagawin ng both teams bago matapos ang quarter na ito?
Yes, mas lalo na sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights because two of their players out of the playing court na dito, Domingo and Monay, kailangan na nilang gumawa ng paraan dito. Now, back to the ball game. Was a foul. This nasa penalty na. Free throw line. Itong si jersey number 81 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Batyan Sala, 2 free throws para sa kanya.
At napatawan na kanina 10 ng foul. Si jersey number 10 from Greyhounds, that's Abrasaldo. That's on the Golden Knights rather. At tumahabol natin ang ating Greyhounds. 51-49 na ibaba sa 2 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now 22 seconds. Last ball possession, Arellano. Passes now to jersey number 10. No good. Nailabas pa yung bola. Now 10 seconds. Double dribble.
And that's a double dribble to jersey number
now another review from the officials. Hindi matapos-tapos itong ating first half. We only have 8 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
at 2 puntos na lang ang kailangang habulin ng ating Greyhounds para magkaroon ng deadlock. Now we need to review some things.
Now, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Brent Basilia, John Narvaez, Justin Prado, Inday Charts, at kay Ron Carl Galvez.
At shout out din kay Nash Santa Rosa at kay Ivy Villadolid. Thank you so much for watching Bukal Season 6.
Now, Arellano. The free throw line, making it a 3-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Will he make it 4 after this second free throw?
Now let's see. And nadagdagan natin ng 1 puntos ang ating Golden Knights. And that's an offensive rebound. That's a good layup on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 53-49 po ang ating score after the first half. Okay. Now,
Titignan
we
natin. Oo, i-review pa nila. 51-53, 2 puntos. Ang kalamangan ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights after that first half.
we are still reviewing kung ano ang nangyari kanina lamang. Thank you so much to One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, our media sponsors, for supporting Bukal Season 6.
Ayun
Now,
nga. Magbabalik tayo para sa intense na laro po ng ating UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights. Dito lamang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we're back here sa Adno Gymnasium sa pagitan ng Ateneo Golden Knights at UNC Greyhounds here at Bukal Season 6. We're live at Oragon Sports TV, Legal na Mga Kampiyon, and Bukal Facebook pages.
Ayan nga, Mark, naging intense nga yung ating first half between these two teams dahil nga sa ating second quarter. Pero ito, pag-usapan muna natin itong naging performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Itong ating UNC Greyhounds, napakaganda nung kanilang mga ipinapakitang opensa as well as the defense with the help of Taugan. Diyan sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, from the offense and defense, talagang isa siya sa mga maaasahan mong players from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. While on the other side, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, grabe din talaga yung kanilang mga shooting dito sa ating mga players. Pero dahil nga doon sa ating mga mainit na kaganapan, doon sa ating kalahatian ng ating second quarter, dalawang players po sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights ang na-eject sa ating laro. We have jersey number 14 Monay and jersey number 61 Domingo. Kung kaya, ano kaya yung maging adjustment dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights dahil itong ating dalawang player na ito talagang nagbibigay ng contribution dito sa ating Golden Knights.
Now, makikita natin yan, Tin, dito sa third and fourth quarter ng ating laban sa pagitan ng UNC at Ateneo. At kanina, nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang, di ba? Nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang intense na pangyayari between UNC and Ateneo, kaya nga natanggal sina jersey number 14 si Bonay at si jersey number 61 si Domingo from Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yes, ito naman pag-usapan natin, Mark, itong ating halftime analysis. Dito sa ating offensive rebounds, madami-dami itong nagawa ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, kung kaya nasa kanila yung ating 2 puntos na kalamangan. Habang napadami naman yung turnovers dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds na kailangan nilang bawasan ngayong third quarter na ito kung talagang gusto nilang makahabol, itay ang game against the Ateneo Golden Knights o makalamang pa sa kanila sa pagpapatuloy ng ating matchup na ito.
At 2 puntos na lang po ang kailangang habulin ng ating Greyhounds for this quarter kung talagang gusto nilang manalo sa laban na ito.
And because of that, shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers dito sa ating Bukal Facebook page. Shoutout kay Eugene Abaya Bokakaw, Isaiah Lance Sartepax, kay CJ Sunga, kay Nicole Andrea Oliva at kay Keith Jimenez na sumusubaybay ng ating live coverage dito ngayon. And shoutout din tayo kay James Angelo Gabarda na kasama ngayon si Samantha. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay ngayong hapon na ito.
At shoutout din kay Kim Matias Taugan, Hill Carol Pilapil, Carl Morales, John Narvaez, Ram J. Alivarvar, Mary Flans Lanuzo, and kay Jacqueline Farley Chavez.
Ayan, may humahabol pa dito. Shoutout kay Jasper Abante, kay Casey Anchokya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay ngayong hapon na ito.
Yan. Ngayon, masasaksihan natin ang sagupaan, ang laban ng UNC at ng Ateneo dito sa ating third quarter. And
also, we would like to thank our sponsors para dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. We have Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, ang ating Bukal sponsors, Biggs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Nguyen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 6. And now, as of this moment, nag-uusap-usap pa rin ang Ateneo at ang UNC before we start our quarter.
Now, third quarter na ng laban ng UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights. Ano pa kaya yung makikita nating intensity dito sa labanan ng ating dalawang kupunan? Let's watch out as this intense game between these two teams painit na ng painit habang patagal ng patagal.
At nararamdaman din natin yan, Tin, no? Kung gaano ka-intense dito sa Adno Gymnasium ang mga players ng both teams ng UNC at ng Ateneo.
Now, para sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter. Jersey number 11, Kalo of the UNC Greyhounds. Nasa free throw line dyan. And a chance for the UNC na maitabla yung ating puntos ngayong third quarter na ito.
Let's see. Good basket ba yan? And for Q. That's a basket. And that will add 1 point to the UNC Greyhounds. At bumaba ng 1 puntos ang Kalamangan. Deadlock ba ito? Nasagot na nga ang tanong ko, Tin. Deadlock na nga sa 53 ang Greyhounds at ang Golden Knights.
Yes, and now it's still the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds here.
Now,
Or the Ateneo Golden Knights basketball rather. Tripulka to inbound. 53-53 on our scoreboard. Now Tripulka passes now to Plaza.
let's see kung anong strategy ang gagawin ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights with those 2 members nila na natanggal sa laro.
And with that mark, tres galing kay Tripulka.
Wow!
Para buksan itong ating third quarter. Now, ano kaya magiging sagot ng ating UNC Greyhounds? 15 seconds to shoot here. Kalo. Back to jersey number 55. Now heavily guarded here. Kalo tries for 3. No good.
Now, ball possession. But out of bounds. And now, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, 8 seconds to shoot. Taugan for 3. No good. Karonan. And a steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Wala pa rin. Now, Fulcar with that rebound.
Nagiging intense na natin ang laban ng ating Ateneo at UNC on this quarter. This is one of the crucial quarters on this game. Now, agawan na ng bola.
Now, ang daming opportunity doon ng ating UNC Greyhounds pero nawala lang lahat. Now, maagang tres na kalabangan ang meron ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Let's see kung mahabol ba yan ng ating UNC Greyhounds or madaragdagan pa ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights ang puntos nila.
Now, Tripulka. 17 seconds to shoot here. Plaza ngayon may hawak ng bola. Good pass to Fulcar. Heavily guarded by Caronan. And a mid-range jumper, that's good para dito kay Fulcar.
Now, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds. They need to double their time. They need to hustle more. Kasi nalalamangan na sila ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, wala pa ditong shooting sa third quarter itong si Taugan. But let's see, as we continue this intense game, Tripulka guarded by Soriao. 12 seconds to shoot down the side of the Golden Knights here. Tripulka passes now to Plaza. Plaza, anong gagawin dito? Now a steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Nagmamadali Kalo.
Ano kayang gagawin ng ating UNC Greyhounds? 2 points addition to their team. 58 of 55. 3-point lead ang ating Golden Knights.
Now, Fulgar. Hindi ka na mawala yung bola. Now, jersey number 10. Heavily guarded here. Tries. No good.
Now, here's Taugan of the UNC Greyhounds. Aiming for a point. Grabe. Walang urong. Hindi inuurungan ng Greyhounds ang depensa ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
55-58. Karonan now on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 7 minutes and 22 seconds in our third quarter.
Kailangan hindi nila ma-miss ang opportunity na ito para makahabol sa ating Golden Knights.
Now another one for Karonan.
No good. Now, here's Tripulka from the Golden Knights. Communicating.
Whistled foul there. Always stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Natawakan nga ng foul dyan si Soriao. Now jersey number 10, Rosaldo.
Tripulka for 3. That's good. At madadagdagan ng kalamangan ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights 61-56.
Yes, umiinit dito si Tripulka. Kailangan talaga mag-step up dito ng mga players ng UNC Greyhounds. And at this point, they still have a chance here to widen that gap against the UNC Greyhounds. Pulkar tries for 3.
No good. Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball.
Karunan.
Eto na. No good.
Now, missed opportunities again on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe yung depensa partner ng ating UNC Greyhounds for that. Pero syempre hindi papaawat ng ating Greyhounds.
No. Taugan will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 56-61, 5-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights sa ating third quarter. 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining.
Mahaba-haba pa ang oras for the third quarter at marami pang mangyayari for the third quarter now. We have Taugan on the side of the UNC Greyhounds on the free throw line. Now, let's have an update sa panig sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's have Liz for an update. Liz, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Mark and Dean. It was indeed an intense second quarter of the game. Both of the teams are determined to have the ball possession. The Ateneo Golden Knights defense has been in high gear with smooth ball movement and sharp shooting, especially from beyond the arc. Ashley Abrasaldo was on fire, lighting up the scoreboard with every shot he took, giving us a consecutive 3-point shot during the huddle. Because of the 3 consecutive disqualifying fouls, team captain Mora Liliano reminded the Knights to avoid fouls, but instead focus on the game. Now the Ateneo Golden Knights believe that they need to stick to their game plan and have proper composure in order to dominate the second half of the quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Tin and Mark.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayun na, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, focus lang sila sa kanilang game plan. And also, special mention dito kay jersey number 10, Abrasaldo, dahil sa kanyang sunod-sunod na pagbutos dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And at this point, grabe na agad yung naigawang puntos dito ng ating Ateneo. Kaya naman itong ating UNC Greyhounds kailangan magdoble kayo at para makingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si IC. Hi IC, any updates?
Tin and Mark, as the third quarter starts, we can see and feel the intensity of the game within the Greyhounds and the Golden Knights. The action is ramping up as both teams are really starting to find their rhythm. Coach Miggy keeps on reminding the players na wag masyadong manggigil and they have to execute the game properly. Just when we thought it couldn't get any more intense, we had a major turn of events. Their defense is now more aggressive, applying full court pressure and man-to-man defense. While on offense, they're exploiting mismatches and driving to the hoops with authority. And lastly, Coach Miggy said that they have to be tough, rough, and smart. Yan lamang sa side ng Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Mark.
Thank you so much, IC, for that update sa parte, sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, we're back to the ball game. Now, kanina 65-58 ang ating score ngayon. Let's see if makakahabol ang ating UNC Greyhounds on that moment.
Now, Calo tries for 3. No good. Wala pa rin dito para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. At umaarangkada na nga sa ating third quarter itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Valge passes to Pulgar. Now on the corner. A good combination here. Tripulka tries for 3. No good. Nagkakagawan dito sa rebound. And the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And at this point, kailangan ng gawa ng paraan ito ng ating UNC para makakuha ng puntos at mabawasan niyang kalamangan na meron ngayon ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
At may 5 minutes na lang tayo dito sa third quarter. Kaya kailangan nang magpursige. Kailangan na mag-hustle ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And for that cue, Taugan again for the 3-point shot. 65-61. Naibaba na sa 4 din ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights.
Mabuti naman at balik na gising itong si Taugan para dito sa ating side ng UNC Greyhounds. Napakaganda ng puntos na naigawa niya dyan. 4 na nga ang hahabulin dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now it's the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Abrasaldo now to inbound. Yan, papalitan ni Tripulka. 19 seconds to shoot on the side of the Ateneo. What will they do? Now.
Wow, that's an additional 2 points for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball. They want to aim a score. However, steal from the Ateneo Golden Knights and a whistle coming from our referee was given. Okay. There's an incident that happened on the side of the court. May mga unexpected talaga tayong mga mangyayari dito sa ating game. And sabi nga niyan, expect the unexpected for that. Now, I think we'll have a review there. The officials will have a review. We'll have a review about that incident, that moment. Grabe, pangatlong insidente na to for this game. At unang insidente to ngayong third quarter.
Ayan, shoutout tayo dito, Mark. Kina Enzo, Tin at Joy na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito.
Hello!
Ayan.
Magandang hapon.
At
we are waiting at Tin sa review and sa official announcement ng ating mga officials about what happened.
ayan, shoutout din natin si IC Cortez at si Joaquin Borromeo na nanonood sa atin ngayon. And ito lang, Mark, para sa kaalaman po ng lahat, yung na-eject po sa ating laro. Sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, we have jersey number 14, Monay, and jersey number 16, Beltran.
Hindi po si jersey number 61,
Yes
si
po.
Domingo.
Yan, 61-67, 6-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter na ito. Napaka-intense talaga ng laro ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights and UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe. Pangatlong insidente to, Tin, nga ngayong sa game na ito ng Ateneo at ng UNC. So let's wait kung anong magiging final verdict ng ating mga officials on that incident. So mamaya after this game, matutunghayan nyo ang laban sa pagitan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins at ng USI Falcons. Mamaya po yan after the game of UNC and Ateneo.
Ayan, shoutout ulit tayo dito kay James Angelo Gabarda. Nakasama ngayon si Samantha. Sana po nag-i-enjoy kayong hapon. Ngayong hapon na ito, medyo makulimlim nga sa labas, pero mabuti hindi umuulan ng sobrang lakas, hindi katulad kahapon.
Now,
Ang dami nagpapashoutout sa atin. Shoutout dito kay Antonio Lumberio, Merl June Bringino, kay Kim Cesar Paster, kay Axel Talaran, kay Abraham Nipay, at sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa Bukaw Facebook page, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Grabe, at dumarami, partner, ang ating viewers sa ating online streaming ng Bukal Season 6. Talagang inaabangan nila ang aksyon between Ateneo and the UNC. Shoutout din natin si Justin Villegas, Oliver Wayne, JR Imperial, Yestin Rain, Bong Gorom, Seth Jerome Abonite, Joaquin Borromeo, Gabriel Arcangel. Thank you so much po for watching Bukal. Let's have this replay, Tin, of what happened kani-kanina lang. And now, ball possession ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Here's Tripulka. Tripulka. They want to aim a point. No good. Offensive rebound. That's good.
Ayan nga, Mark, yung sinasabi natin. Doon sa ating first half, itong si Abrasaldo talaga nagpakitang gilas para dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And up until now, continue lang yung kanyang pagbibigay ng puntos para sa kanyang kupunan. Chance now for the Greyhounds, pero another turnover. 61-69, napalaki ulit sa 8 ang kalamangan dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ano kayang gagawin ng ating Greyhounds para mabawasan ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights?
Now, Kalon. 20 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 81.
Aiming for 3 points. No good.
No, Domingo passes now to Tripulka. Tripulka will be on the free throw line after that committed foul from the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
And Ateneo Golden Knights will be given 2 free throws on this moment. So we have Tripulka on the free throw line. Madaragdagan kaya ang puntos ng Golden Knights. Now for the last free throw shot. That's good.
Now ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds, 61-70. 9-point lead of the Ateneo. Now UNC on the run. Carlo now. 16 seconds to shoot here. Passes to jersey number 27 for a long 3. In and out ball.
Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Napasobra ang hagis ng ating player from the Golden Knights. Now we have 2 minutes and 49 remaining for the third quarter. At penalty na, partner, ang ating UNC Greyhounds on this quarter.
Now Tripulka. 10 seconds to shoot here. Abrasaldo. Another turnover for the side of the Ateneo. Now, chance dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds para mabawasan yung kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 27 passes now to Sarmiento. Back to 27. Traveling violation.
Wow.
Now, napapasunod-sunod na yung turnover dito ng UNC Greyhounds, kung kaya naging opportunity ito para sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights para umarangkada at mas lumayo pa yung kanilang agwat against the UNC Greyhounds.
And as of now, there's a traveling violation also given to the Golden Knights. Now, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Mark Andrew papasok pa dito sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Nakaabang na, partner, ang mga tao dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium sa mga mangyayari. Now, ball possession ng ating Golden Knights.
Valier. Basket counts with a foul.
Sinusuong.
Now another intense conversation between the players on the UNC and Ateneo. Now Abrasaldo and Taugan nagkakainitan ngayon. Grabe yung laro ngayon ng UNC and Ateneo.
That's an intense battle between Ateneo and UNC. So we'll have again a review. About what happened earlier dito sa hard court. And now, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. Thank you so much po. Naga College Foundation, Gold Clofa Construction, ACLC, Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and this Bukal Season 6 is powered by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated.
And shoutout din tayo sa ating live viewers ngayon. Shoutout kay Antonio Lumberio, kay John Rafael, kay Merljun Bringino, at kay John Aaron Ilag. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
Grabe, abang na partner ang ating mga audience both sa live at dito sa Adno Gymnasium. Sa kung ano ang mangyayari
dahil
sa tapatang ito.
After nung ating first half na meron tayong dalawang players na na-eject from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now dito sa ating 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter, another intense na naman na pangyayari between Taugan of the UNC Greyhounds and Abrasaldo of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Mamaya makikita natin yung review, yung replay ng nangyari kanina lang.
Now, 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 61-70. 9-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And still, di pa tapos ang ating laban dahil napakaganda po pareho ang ipinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Walang tapon. Kumbaga, talagang titingnan mo dahil kayang mahawal ng UNC Greyhounds itong siyam na kalamangan lamang ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Hindi ka pipikit ni isang segundo kakanood ngayon dito sa laban ng UNC at Ateneo because of that intense and close fight between the two teams. Now let's wait for an official announcement coming from the officials. And here's a replay, partner, of what happened earlier. Now.
And ayan nga, nakita natin dito. Jersey number 27 and 10. Pero hihintayin natin yung decision dito. That's Kevin Taugan, jersey number 27, and Abrasaldo of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now let's wait kung ano magiging final verdict ng ating officials on this incident. Nag-uusap-usap na po ngayon at the moment ang coach ng bawat panig.
Now that's the decision of our officials. Jersey number 27 of the UNC Greyhounds, Kevin Taugan, out of the playing court, while Abrasaldo technical foul yung naibigay dito. Now, Kenneth Taugan, nakikipag-usap pa sa ating mga officials.
Grabe kasi yung nangyari kanina, Tin, no? That intense and close fight within those two teams. Grabe. And now, let's have shout-outs while we are waiting for the officials. Let's have a shout-out. Hello po kay Eman Lantero, Aldrin Pelonio, Grant Carl Galvez, MM Espiritu, Russell Ahero, Harry Bonyon, and Andre Ross. Thank you so much for supporting Bukal Season 6. And now, while we are waiting, and habang nakikipag-usap ang ating mga coaches sa ating mga officials, nagkakaroon din ng pagpupulong, partner.
2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. 6:72. Grabe yung intensity dito ng labanan ng UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights.
Grabe.
Again, yung unang naging desisyon nga po ng ating officials, jersey number 27, Kevin Taugan, kapatid po ni Kenneth Taugan, out of the playing court, while on the other side of the Ateneo, jersey number 10, Aprasaldo, technical foul.
And now, let's see. Okay, now let's go back to our ball game.
Grabe, 3 players na mula dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito ang out of the playing court sa isang laro lamang. Hindi pa nga tayo nagtatapos ng ating third quarter, pero grabe. But now, back to the ball game. Valle now on the free throw line, 61-72.
Malaki-laki na ang kailangang habulin ng ating Greyhounds at this moment. Now on the free throw line. That's good. 73-61.
Now another free throw para dito kay Valle. 61-74. 13-point lead, making it a 14-point lead. Biggest gap para sa match-up ng UNC and Ateneo.
Grabe yung opportunity ng free throws ng Ateneo for this quarter para makalamang dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, let's go back to the ball game. Steal from the UNC Greyhounds. But
stepping on the line itong si Mark Andrew ng UNC Greyhounds. So another missed opportunity para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. And at this point, ang gagawin ng Ateneo dito, tatagtagan pa yung kalamangan na meron sila. Plaza now, long two.
That's good. At madaragdagan ng 2 puntos ang score ng ating Golden Knights, 77-61.
Now Legaspi, 14 seconds to shoot here.
To Taugan. Taugan for 3. No good. And Ateneo to inbound. We have their Plaza. Plaza was guarded.
Now another foul is given to Mark Andrew of the UNC Greyhounds. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. 61-77. Dadagdagan pa nga yan ni Plaza. Bonus points sa free throw line.
Malaki-laki na partner ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights for this quarter. Now, Plaza. That's a clean basket. 78-61. 79 rather.
Now, Legaspi, 20 seconds to shoot here. Now, a three-pointer coming. Jersey number 17, Karonan.
Ito na, bumabawi na partner ang ating Greyhounds for 1 more minute.
15-point lead of the Ateneo. That was steal from them. Domingo passes now to Magno. Magno for three.
That's good.
A clean basket coming from him.
82-64. Lumalaki na ang kalabangan ng ating Golden Knights as of the moment. Now, for that long two. No good. Offensive rebound. No good. Now, steal. Dito.
Now Ateneo, Plaza. 16 seconds to shoot. Another whistle foul here para dito kay Taugan. 64-82. 18-point lead na ang meron ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Talaga namang bumabawi sila dito sa ating third quarter. 20 seconds na lamang po ang meron tayo sa quarter na ito. Now making it 19. At sa pangalawang free throw dito ni Plaza. Let's see. Will he make it a 20-point lead? Biggest cap of the game.
Lumalaki